Today I'm going to be talking about using an intervalometer as a movie remote control for recording your videos if you're a one-man team like I am. Hey guys, I'm Dessyclef and welcome to yet another video on this channel. If you're new here, I do reviews, upload educational content while trying to entertain you at the same time, anytime. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash that bell so you wouldn't miss anything I upload, okay? Alright, so today I'm not going to be talking about every intervalometer out there in this video. My focus is only on the Pixel TW-283 S2 intervalometer, which I'm familiar with after using it for quite some time now. I even made a video explaining the various settings on this intervalometer, which you can check out right here. In that video, I explained the various ways to use this device, but I didn't talk about how to use it in your camera's video mode for recording your videos. And I got a question about if it actually could be used for that purpose, and yes, you can use the Pixel TW-283 intervalometers for recording your videos. At least that's the case with the Sony version that I use. And to do that, I will turn on the remote and have it set to delay shooting functions. You know, the one you would use to take a selfie or a timed picture in the camera's photo mode. Now, I would press the OK button to enter the edit mode. Here, I will set the amount of seconds I want the timer to delay before recording starts. But since I want it to start immediately, I press the shutter button, I would leave it at 1. And here is the number of time I would want the camera to trigger the record button. And since we're recording video, I want to leave it at 1 so it wouldn't start recording and then stop, because I want to be the one to stop it once I'm done recording. Now, I'll press the OK button to exit the edit mode. I have the camera set to video mode and the receiver is already connected to the camera via the USB port and also connected to the remote control. So when I'm ready, I'll just press the shutter button and voila, there we go. I'm recording with my intervalometer. I hope you've learned something new about this intervalometer today. Thanks for watching, and until my next video, peace.